Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video, we will discuss how to set up Asus RP-N12 Wi-Fi Repeater. The Asus RP-N12 Wi-Fi Repeater is a device that helps extend your existing Wi-Fi coverage to areas with weak or no signal. It works by receiving your router's wireless signal and rebroadcasting it. If you're looking for the best repeater that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope this video prove helpful. Firstly, unbox the Asus RP-N12 Wi-Fi Repeater box. Inside the Asus RP-N12 Wi-Fi Repeater box, you'll find the repeater unit itself, a quick start guide for easy setup, and warranty information. The package is simple and ready to use, as the repeater plugs directly into a power socket without extra cables. Now take your Asus RP-N12 repeater and plug it into a wall socket in a location where your router's Wi-Fi is still strong, usually halfway between the router and the weak signal area. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. This means it's ready for setup. On your laptop, PC, or smartphone, open your Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named Asus_RP-N12. This is the repeater's default SSID. Connect to it. No password is required by default. If your device asks for a warning about no internet, just continue. That's normal during setup. Launch your preferred browser: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type repeater.asus.com and press enter. If that doesn't work, try the IP address 192.168.1.1 instead. You'll see the Asus Setup/Login screen. Enter the default username, admin, and the default password is also admin. Click Sign In or Log In. On first login, it may ask you to create a new admin password for security. Do this and note it down. The repeater will automatically start scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks. A list of available SIDs will appear. Find and select your main router's Wi-Fi name, SSID. Type the Wi-Fi password for your main router's SSID exactly as it is, case sensitive. Click Next or Connect. Step 7. Choose extended network name. You can keep the same SSID as your router, seamless roaming between router and repeater. Create a new SSID, e.g., Home Wi-Fi_XT, so you can manually choose between them. Click Apply to save your choice. The RP-N12 will now connect to your router and apply settings. This process may take 1 to 2 minutes. Once finished, the signal LED will show green. Go back to your Wi-Fi list on your device. Connect to the extended network name you set earlier. Enter the same Wi-Fi password you use for your main router. Setup complete. Your Asus RP-N12 is now boosting your Wi-Fi signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.